Will you tell me what it's like being dead?
Like sleeping, Jimmy, just like sleeping. 1 minute, I had died, and then I came back to life.
Immortality is an alluring concept. Much better learned through philosophical discourse than actuality.
Sure, but now you're thinking like a human.
The life crystals are reviving you. They're not making you immortal.
Perhaps, but every time I come back to life, I just feel more and more disconnected.
You should care about these crystals! These crystals should be studied, not taken for personal gain.
But what if we encounter future difficulties? I mean, wouldn't you want some laying around? Some life crystals? Bring us back to life? Right? Back me up, Jimmy.
There's only one remaining. I say we keep it safe.
No, I need it.
No, I need it.
No, I need it.
I need it!
Oh.
This is what we needed.
Can you imagine its scientific and commercial worth? I can't. Such values are beyond me.
Who would try to cash in on something as important? You're a greedy person, Alfred. And I think Jimmy can back me up on this one. Bring it back. It's obvious what we should do. It's obvious. We should go down the empirical demonstration route. No, I need it.
I'll admit we don't have the means for a proper study. What do you have in mind?
I believe with one more go, I can find out what happens to me in the interim. Study it.
I think you're making a big mistake.
I don't see the harm in jumping back in with some intent this time. That's all I'm saying. Take that information and...
Can't you see? They've become an obsession. Oh, you're so far gone. And you don't realize what they're doing to you.
Obsession, far gone. Somebody please tell me what's happening. Obsession, far gone. Somebody please loop me in.
The deal, Alfred. Our bargain. Our arrangement. Arrangement. Back to it.
Just make sure to keep control over it. And not vice versa.
Thanks, Commander. I'm gonna go kill myself. You're gonna bring me back with this crystal. It's a deal, so I can go see the afterlife, come back, report back on it for science.
What?
What are we going to do with the last remaining crystal?
What?
What are we going to do?
When he goes to sleep, we let him sleep for good. Yeah.
That bass be bumping though.
Suggestions on how it's wanted.
Kitty.
Do we got it? Do I do more? These crystals should be studied!
What will we...
Is this how you wanted to do it?
Tell me what is going on!